Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ray. Check it out, guys. I got another update for the Ford Tremor here. As you can see, I'm right next to my new installed BuiltRight Stubby antenna for the Ford F4 series. Guys, this is a nice little antenna. I'm gonna tell you the truth, all right? It really gives you that stealth look on your truck, and I'm surprised at how well it fits for a big truck. This small thing fits this package. So guys, thank you for joining me. I'm Ray. Please consider like, subscribe, and let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check out, guys, I got another product for you. I got a product from BuiltRight Industries. What I'm holding here and showing you guys is the Perfect Fit Stubby Antenna. It fits your Ford F-150 2015 to 20, and also your F250 350 same year 17 to 2020. Guys, this is a nice antenna. If you want to get rid of the long factory antenna and you want something a little more stealth, a little more aggressive looking, I say, you may want to pick this up. All right, very easy, reasonable price, about 30 bucks for it. And what I'm going to do now, guys, we're just going to go out to the truck, we're going to install it, and we're going to just take a look at it. Guys, thank you for joining me. I'm Ray. Enough of me talking. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, as you can see here, we have the stock antenna. And it's going to be very simple. All you need is just a regular wrench, guys. And we're going to take it off. Not that hard. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. Okay, it's going to come out nice and easy. Okay, so that's our stock. We're going to put it to the side because we are going to keep it. We're just not going to be using it right now. And let's take out the new antenna. All right. And your best bet to put the washer before you put the antenna on. And there you go. That's simple. Nice, easy, very sleek, very stealth looking also, guys. I think that looks very nice. All right, so what do you think, guys? All right, something you think you'll want to do? Again, it's very stealthy, best I can describe it. What we're gonna do, I'm going to the truck and let you guys see it from inside the truck. All right, let's jump in, guys. Okay. All right, so that's how it looks, guys. And to tell you the truth, I was wondering about my radio. At least in my area, I'm out in the suburbs, so having reception is not that big of a deal. So I'm gonna attempt to just let you guys see HD, at least the radio station, it comes through pretty good. All right, can't play it too much because I don't want to get copyrighted. All right, HD2. All right, and what I noticed, it just takes a little time for it to catch it, then it'll come up. Again, a little delay. So, again, it does work, at least in my area. So, depending where you're located, everybody's mileage would be different. So, again, guys, I just want to give you a close look at it. Just a little visual information on how it looks, all right? So that's it, guys. Again, please consider like, subscribe, and I'll check you on the next one.